Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sure you saw the title of this video. We're gonna do a giveaway, my first one of 2022. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I've got all kinds of yarn to go through. Not to go through, but I mean to give away, because I went through my yarn and destashed a bunch. So, we're not gonna have a huge one. It's gonna be a few skeins, but I really hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. So, let's just get started. Start going right through it. Let me get rid of my gum. Okay, so the first thing I have are 2 cakes of Ferris wheel yarn. Now this is the color Full Moon, so it's a pretty different shades of blue. It almost looks purple there, don't it? But it is 3 ounces, 85 grams, 270 yards, 247 meters, machine washable and dryable, 100% acrylic. It's a 4-weight, recommends a 4.5 knitting needle or a 5mm crochet hook. All right, so we have 2 of those. All right, now we have 4 skeins of Red Heart Dreamy in the color Mountaintop. Red Heart Dreamy stripes in the color Mountaintop. Trying to make sure they're all the same color. Mountaintop, Mountaintop, Mountaintop. Okay, so Red Heart Dreamy stripes. This is a 100% acrylic, a 5-weight bulky, and it is considered a bulky because I mean it is pretty fluffy yarn. Machine washable and dryable, recommends a 6.5mm crochet hook or a 6mm knitting needles. 6.3 ounces or 180 grams, 355 yards or 325 meters. Okay, so there's 4 skeins of Red Heart Dreamy stripes. Now I bought this because I wanted to make a sweater out of it, and I never got around to it, and I thought, you know what, instead of it just sitting here, I'm gonna give it to somebody that wants to use it. Okay, so next we have 3 skeins of Lion Brand Ice Cream Big Scoop. So these are big skeins. These are 10 ounces or 284 grams, 1,107 yards or 1,022 meters, 100% acrylic. This is considered a 3-weight. Machine washable and dryable, and it is in the color of Cookies and Cream. So again, this is something I bought to make a baby blanket and pillow set, and then I never got around to it. Now I do have a pattern coming out soon, like sometime within the next few months, that is going to be this yarn, not this color, but the Lion Brand Big Scoop yarn. So there's 3 of those. And then we have a 3-pack of Lion Brand Flicka yarns. So you have 3 of those, 3 skeins of those. It is 3.5 ounces, 196 yards. It's a lightweight 3. And this is this color is Dill Pickle. I'm trying to see. Oh, here it is. 50% cotton, 50% polyester. It recommends a 4.5mm knitting needles or 6mm crochet hooks. So there's 3 of those in Dill Pickle. And then we have 3 more in the color Confetti. So this is more pink, yellow, orange. I see a little bit of gray, a little bit of red. Whereas this dill pickle one is green, blue, yellow, dark blue. I see, you know, like a cream color. So then we have those three. Then I'm going to have one more thing. I'm going to throw in a cake of Yarn Bee Rainbow Rhapsody in the color Peacock. Now I do have a pattern for this yarn. I made a little doily for my table. I set my lamp on it, but it's a star and it's very, very pretty. So you're going to get that too. And that's it. So you're going to get 3 cakes. Oh, let me tell you a little bit about the Rhapsody. It's Rainbow Rhapsody Peacock. It is 7-ounce cake or 198 grams, 918 yards or 839 meters, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. It is a 1-weight superfine. It says use a 2.75 millimeter knitting needles or 3.25 millimeter crochet hook. Okay. So there's that. So, okay, you have 3 cakes. These 3 cakes. These skeins. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. 16 skeins. Yay! Alright, so what do you gotta do to enter? Let's do a comment. Leave a comment in this video. I think I'm just gonna start out with something simple. Just tell me what your favorite color is. It doesn't matter. It's just something simple. And so tell me what your favorite color is. Comment that down below. I'll use the random comment picker to generate the winner. The rules, US only. And I wish I didn't have to do that, but I understand why other YouTube channels do that because the shipping is outrageous to send overseas, and I can't afford that. So 18 or older, US citizen to win, or in the US to win. Comment what your favorite color is, and what's today? Today's the 22nd. Let's go to, how about March 3rd? Let's go to March 3rd, and I will draw the winner. I'll post the video that day of the winner, okay? All right, so I'm going to leave it there. Comment your favorite color. Live in the US, be over 18, and that's it. I'll see you guys again on March 3rd for the winner. Bye!